Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when you when you update your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to iOS 14 and you can't open the camera, you have some problems with your camera, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try is just open the settings. So just open the settings and here you need to find screen time, so just open the screen time and here you choose. If you turn off screen time, just turn on, and after you will have access for opening content and privacy restrictions, and here turn on if you turn off here, and just choose allowed apps and just fix if you turn on here in camera. So just fix this, and after, if it doesn't help you, you just go to the settings. Just go to the settings, just open the general, and in the general you need to find reset and just try to reset all the settings. So just click and submit reset all the settings, and if it doesn't help you too, you can try to shut down. So just click on shut down and just slide to power off and just power off your phone and wait about 30 seconds and just click on power, just power on your phone, and sometimes it helps. And the last thing you can also try is just make hard reset on your phone. So just keep holding power and low volume button. So just keep holding these two buttons until you will see here Apple logo. So just wait. So when you see Apple logo, just release your fingers from these two buttons and just wait until it will load your system, and it means that you successfully made force restart. So just try these methods and I hope that one of these will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.